I've had fun today. I've been squirted. I've been bamboozled. Oh my god, I'm in the face! In the face! Just catching people in the face. I'm good. See if I can block out their lights with my face. Got him. Oh, damn! They got the joint. The joint's wet. What a way to end the show. 45 days of bliss, 45 minutes of bliss, 3 days of water, and smiles had by all. That's Travel by Saints. That's Saints Addiction. And that's Songkran 2024. I'll see you on the other side. Ciao.